Hello and welcome to this video. And in this one we're going to do a very simple video on how to use something that is called giveaway and how to use it effectively so that you gain many followers and actually also gain and get money. And we will show you exactly how to do it. So first of all, there are many kinds of giveaways that you can do for your products, your services, etc. And giveaways actually are a highly effective way to gain many followers, gain engagement with your account, because people are going to like, comment, follow you, etc. Maybe direct message you to know more about what you do or about the giveaway, etc. And this really helps because, as I told you, people are going to comment on your post, they're going to tag friends, look your profile, then maybe click your website if you have it in the bio or bio or whatever it's called. So in general you will have much promotion and views of your account, and you want something like that if you want to sell your products, sell your services, become famous, gain many followers, etc. With giveaways, a specific thing is that you actually gain many followers, because if you see here, this is an example, by the way, of a giveaway, right? Of a giveaway that Inmars has put on their Instagram account, or Yanis has put it actually. And the first order you say or you give to the people that see this post is you must follow Inmars and Yanis Andreu. So you gain many followers just by that, just by the first order. So, and just so you know, to clear up a bit, if you have any question on giveaway, basically this is a competition. Giveaway is something like a competition that, and at the end of the month, the week, or whatever time period, you actually will define the rules. You will give a gift to a person. So for example, in this example we have an iPhone 6 Plus. You don't have to just give an iPhone 6 Plus away. You can be creative with it and give away different things, and we will actually show you many ideas on next videos on what you can give away. And we will show you also smart ways that you can offer giveaways, like an iPhone 6 Plus or many other things that we will show you in other videos. And other than followers, you can also gain money with every giveaway that you do. And we will show you actually how to do it. So that was basically some introduction to the concept of giveaway. And